I'm going to explain to you why your client prospects don't trust you, and in 5 minutes or less, how you can earn their trust. My name is Peter Chabria. I'm with RealtorLevelUp.com, where we offer you 5-minute or less videos with actionable ideas and skills that you can use to level up your sales career. Now here's the deal. When we meet with new prospects as real estate agents, there's 2 things that we really want to do. The first is help them, right? Because it's a really fun journey to help your clients buy and sell real estate. And the second one is get paid, because that's why we do this. The problem is we want to move into that part of the process so quickly that a lot of times we skip over something that's very important, and in the process we don't earn our clients' trust. And when you don't have somebody's trust, you can't lead them through the process, you can't influence them, you can't do the best job of educating and informing them so they can make smart decisions. So the question is, how do we earn trust? Well, there's no simple way that you can guarantee earning trust with everybody all the time, but there are 2 techniques that you can use to earn your clients' trust faster. I'm going to teach you one of those techniques today. And here's what I want you to know first. Remember the fact that people buy from people that they trust. And so they're not going to buy their service, your service, helping them buy, sell, or invest in real estate until they feel like they can trust you first. Well, great. So how do I earn somebody's trust? Well, people trust people that they know care about them. And so it's very important that you demonstrate that you care for people and you care about the ultimate outcome of this process. I know this all sounds basic, but we skip this step and it's worth pumping the brakes and kind of thinking about this. Well, how do you demonstrate that you care? The way that you demonstrate to people that you care is by listening to their story, asking them questions, and then really being present and focused and listening on what they're looking for, and more importantly, the why behind that what and what they're looking for in a new home. So, what's the script that you use to demonstrate that you care? It's really simple. There's 1, sometimes 2 questions. And the question is, when somebody tells you about something they're looking for, you simply say, pause and be sincere, because we are, and just say, what's important to you about that? And then be quiet and let them fill the space and tell you what's important to you, because now you're getting to the why, the important thing about their family. They might give you a superficial answer. That's okay. Just tell them, ask a follow-up question, and that is either, tell me more about that, or what will that ultimately do for you and your family? And then be quiet again and give them the opportunity to really be real with you and tell you what's important to them. And when you listen, you're present with them and you're demonstrating that what's important to them, their needs come first before yours. Now, the way that you demonstrate your listening is by repeating what they say back to you. And it can be very simple, right? If they say, Peter, we're looking for, we want to be in the Lakota School District. And I say, okay, great, the Lakota School District, what's important to you about that? And they say, well, the Lakota School District has this great engineering program, and our son wants to be an engineer and shows some real great aptitude for it. And I'm just going to say, wow, that's really exciting. What I hear you saying is that the Lakota School District is really important to you because your son is an aspiring, promising engineer, and you want to get into that program where you can kind of capture his talent and excitement about this discipline. Is that right? Now, for us as salespeople, that feels a little cheesy. But what you have to understand is, in the process of repeating what somebody has told you, you demonstrate that you're listening, and by extension that you care. We all care about our clients, or we wouldn't be in a fiduciary business. But oftentimes we skip this critical step of showing people that we care, and using this simple process will help you demonstrate that you care and ultimately earn trust faster. And real estate sales go at the speed of trust. I hope this was helpful for you. If you're interested in learning more, go ahead and subscribe at this channel. If you're on YouTube or if you're on Facebook, like our page. I'll see you in a week. Thanks, guys.